step out and explore the nature.
Nowadays, people often get lost in their busy life. It's a luxury to spend time outside. With Realme, I wanted to create a design that established a balance of aesthetic and functionality, and to bring people closer to the outdoors, reminding us all that we're explorers. The image of a classic travel trunk immediately came into my head. For hundreds of years, countless travelers have set out with it. The elegant leather surface, the hard-edged shape, and the exquisite rivet decoration. They served as an inspiration to the design of Realme GT2 Explorer. Grab it and go. We used eco-friendly leather in an earth tone that evokes the familiarity of nature. Light but highly resistant aviation aluminum to create the angular frame. It will allow you to explore without fear of any consequences. And rivets to accentuate each corner. It's the symbol of the ambitious heart of every explorer. Dear explorers, venture out into the unknown.
真我 GT2 大师探索版，出发去探索。